Let's take a look at the P820. P820 is a full metal sidearm. It's a very, very nice handgun. Let's take a look. Let's say full metal. The only thing that's not metal is the magazine. Quite a small magazine. Let's fill it up. As most small handguns, you just pull the spring down, hook it at the bottom and fill it manually. Unhook the spring and there you go, ready to be loaded into the gun. Simply insert it into the gun and we're ready to go. Quite a punch this gun. It's actually really nice because it's metal and it's heavy. Got quite a heavy spring in it. Fires really well actually. Let's do some target shooting. See how it goes. Bad shooting. And there you go, there's the P820. Have a look, it's a stylish, small, full metal handgun.